A 14-year-old killed an innocent teenager in order to prove himself to his gang. During the trial, the mother of the child who was killed sat there silently, not showing any emotion. And when the verdict was made, she stood up slowly in the courtroom and she looked directly at that 14-year-old and she said, "I'm going to kill you." She was the only one to visit that 14-year-old in the juvenile facility because he had lived on the street and he didn't have any family. She gave him money for cigarettes. She brought him food to eat and began to visit him more frequently, bringing him small gifts. After about nearly 3 years, where his term was almost up, she found him a job with a friend who owned a company. And she told him that she had an empty room in her house that he could stay in if he wanted to. So for 8 months, he ate her food, lived in her home, and worked at that job. One day, she invited him into the living room and sat opposite from him. And she said to him, "You remember that day in court when I said I was going to kill you?" "Oh yeah, I remember that day. I'll never forget it." She said, "I didn't want that person who killed my son for no reason to be alive on this earth. And that's why I visited you. That's why I gave you gifts and brought you food. That's why I invited you to move into my home, got you work, because I wanted that old person to die. And that person no longer exists. You're not that same person. And I have an empty room in my house that I have room and for you to stay here. And I'd like to adopt you if you would be willing." The mother of her son's killer became the mother of this young man, the mother he never had. Wow. The miracle of forgiveness. If she can do that, then you and I, through the activity of God working in us, we too can be free of our hurt and our burden through the miracle of forgiveness. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.